Android Pentest Lab setup. In this module, we will teach you how to install various tools in Windows operating systems used for penetration testing against vulnerable Android applications. The tool we will be discussing henceforth are Genymotion. It helps to emulate the Android devices, which can help test various applications. Android Studio. It can help to emulate Android devices with various pre-packaged tools that can assist during pen testing. MobSF, it's an open source framework used for malware analysis, application pen testing, and security testing for Android. APKtool, it helps in decompiling and reverse engineering Android applications. Frida, it is used for dynamic testing of Android devices. Browser, it provides security features that can help during Android penetration testing. Jadex is an open source tool used for reverse engineering Android APK files. Burp Suite is a popular pen testing tool to test the security of web applications. In this video, we will dive into our first tool, that is Genymotion. Let's get started. Genymotion is an easy to use, lightweight and robust multi-platform Android emulator. Genymotion emulator is not a typical emulator, but a specialized emulator designed for optimal efficiency and effectiveness when running and testing applications. It uses OpenGL functionalities which make it a responsibly fast emulator. Genymotion emulator benefits developers, gamers, and even application testers. Genymotion installation practical. Now we will all discuss about installing Genymotion on a Windows machine, so look at the steps very carefully. Open a browser of your choice, type Genymotion into the search bar, then hit enter and navigate to the official Genymotion download site. Following the establishment of this website, two types of applications are available. One without VirtualBox and the other with VirtualBox. Assuming that VirtualBox is installed on your PC, we will download the light version, that is the installer. After downloading, double-click on the Genymotion installation file from the downloads folder and follow the prompts to install it. After installation, you must register yourself with a valid Gmail account. Now, let us build a new virtual device. To create your virtual emulator, click on the add icon and select the device of your choice. We will be using Xiaomi Redmi Note 7. Now click on next and change the device's name and Android version to your liking. We will be choosing Android version 10 here. Click on next. We will use a 2 processor with 3072 memory and click next. Next, pick bridge from the list of network options and finally click install. The emulation hardware is now ready to launch.